Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. As usual, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. This week, the Euro bulls incurred heavy losses. The single European currency slumped to the lowest level in 4 weeks against the US dollar amid escalation of the trade conflict between the US and China, soft inflation in Germany and expectations of sluggish consumer inflation in the Eurozone. Is the Euro going to extend its weakness? Let's ask our expert. Hi, Peter.
Hello dear traders. Euro versus US dollar basically produces a nice profit to us since my last week forecast. Basically the price tested our upward target and it got rejected there, so there is an underlying weakness on this currency pair. And this is very interesting because the euro dollar actually broke the 5-day balance, and we spoke about that. We took a very good bullish BS basically on testing of that bracket low, but after the price did break out of this bracket, it found strong sellers, and right now basically euro is in the down pressure and the downside momentum is present. So my advice is basically to watch for selling opportunities on the rallies on this currency pair. Pay attention also that the euro dollar went to test the 20 exponential moving average on the daily time frame and then returned back. So we got an underlying short and mid-term bearish trend on this currency pair. Downward targets are set at the price of 1.1030 and 1.0900. Watch for these levels because these levels are very important based on the previous price action, and they can serve you like a good profit taking level. So again, strong downside momentum. Euro did break out of the 5-day bracket and then return to the bracket. This is again bearish sign, so watch for selling opportunities on the rallies.
Interestingly, the pound sterling is showing resilience despite the strong likelihood of a hard Brexit. What trajectory do you foresee for the British currency?
British pound versus US dollar basically did nothing more than just trading into some tight sideways regime, so in some bracketing regime. All this activity happened basically near the 20 exponential moving average, and there is a still downward pressure. According to the daily time frame, I found there is a potential for the bear flag, and my advice is basically watch for selling opportunities due to this potential daily bear flag in the play. So downward targets are set at the price of 1.2085 and 1.2040. Pay attention on the level of 1.2330 because this level is basically the most recent swing high according to a daily time frame. You will not like to see the breakout of this level if you are bearish. So 1.2330 might serve you like a good stop loss for this short-term potential play on the downside. Again, there's also trend line on the test. I placed the supply trend line, so the downward sloping trend line, and basically the price is trading at this trend line, which acting like resistance. So pay attention, watch for potential selling due to this bear flag and the downward trend.
Investors want to play safe on the back of escalation of the trade jitters between the US and China, so risk aversion sentiment boosts demand for the yen. However, the dollar-yen pair still cannot break below the support level of 105 points.
On the USD versus Japanese yen, what I found is a very interesting situation because I actually plotted the weekly chart on this one, and I found a nice bullish divergence in creation on the weekly time frame based on the 310 oscillator, which is our momentum oscillator. So there is a bullish divergence. Basically, there is expectation that the USD may rotate back to the 20 exponential moving average based on the weekly time frame, which is basically around 107.94. Another thing is there is also the price rotated aggressively. Firstly, we basically broke the 3-week balance and then returned aggressively into this 3-week balance. These are all signs of the further bullish move, and my advice to watch for buying opportunities. Any good hourly and 4-hour bull flag on something, buy the dips on this currency pair potentially, and 107.94 is a very good and attractive level to actually scale your position.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You've watched the Linkup on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.